The TC string is a cookie that stores information about the consent that your website visitors opt in for, so that third-party ad providers can show personalized ads on your website, such as ads from Google Adsense. To be able to show personalized ads with Google Adsense on your website, you must implement a Google-certified consent management platform that integrates with IAB Europe's Transparency and Consent Framework to collect consent when serving ads to users in the European Economic Area or in the UK. If you only want to show personalized ads from Google AdSense and you don't have an agreement with another provider directly, you don't need another CMP, as you can use Google AdSense, which is free to use. Larger websites and newspapers often move away from Google Ads due to the poor quality of their ads and invest in another consent management platform such as CookieScript, Cookie Information, CookieBot, etc., as they often have more customizable features. In my case, I want to show personalized ads from Google, but I also have a direct agreement with a third-party ad provider to be able to show ads with higher quality. To do this, the provider has asked me to extract the TC string so they can add the cookie information into their ads, which I add to my website. I've tried to extract the TC string only using Google AdSense as my CMP provider, but for some reason it didn't work as the string was empty. After testing several platforms, I paid for a license with CookieScript, which is a Google-approved consent management platform, so I also can show Google Ads, and installed the script on my website. And it worked. This is how you do extract the TC string. After you've installed the consent code on your website, go to your website and either right-click and inspect or press F12 to open the inspector pane on the right side. Then click on Application and click on the cookie with the name CookieScript Consent. On the bottom, you should be able to see the TC string.